Hello, my name is Andrew Sass. I'm an environmental sociologist and a professor at the University of California at Santa Cruz. In this video, I want to introduce you to my new website.
A climate change module for Introduction to Sociology classes.
I created this website for two reasons. The first reason is that after years of research and observation by hundreds, if not thousands of scientists, there's no longer any doubt that one, climate change is real. Two, that it is caused by human activity, mostly by the burning of fossil fuels. Three, that climate change is not caused by such things as variations in solar radiation or variations in the Earth's orbit or other non-human natural conditions. And four, that it's serious. Actually, way more than serious. If one reads and understands the science, it's immediately clear that climate change has become the greatest threat to our future. As a civilization, perhaps as a species. The second reason I created this website is because I took a careful look at the 10 best-selling Introduction to Sociology textbooks in the United States. And I saw that climate change is very poorly covered in any of them. It is found late in the books, typically in the next to last chapter, and it gets only a handful of paragraphs devoted to it. I think that's a problem. The main point of an Introduction to Sociology course is to show college students that sociological ideas matter, that those ideas help them better understand their world. At this point in human history, nothing is more important than a worldwide environmental crisis that threatens to take from us the kinds of lives, secure, prosperous, productive, happy, that we all hope to have for ourselves and for our children. I believe then that it's time to add more sociology of climate change to our Intro to Sociology classes. This website is designed to help do that. But before we get to the sociology, I believe that we all need to make sure that we have a shared, solid background in the science of climate change. Before the first class session, then, I'm recommending that you watch two videos.
First, a video that explains the physics of climate change, and second, a video that describes how climate change is impacting and is going to continue to impact Earth's ecological systems. I have been extremely fortunate to be able to recruit two colleagues, both experts in their respective fields, to record these videos for us. Our first video is titled The Physical Dimensions of Climate Change. You can find it at the internet address you see at the bottom of this slide. The video was recorded for us by Dr. Jeffrey Keel, a physicist and climate scientist. Until recently, Dr. Keel was the senior scientist for the Climate Change Research Section of NCAR, the National Center for Atmospheric Research in Boulder, Colorado. Our second science video, titled The Climate is Changing, is about ecological impacts. You can find this video at the internet address you see at the bottom of this slide. This video was recorded for us by Dr. Michael Loic, a distinguished ecologist and a professor of environmental studies at the University of California at Santa Cruz. Once you have seen those two videos, we can switch our attention from science to sociology. When sociologists think about climate change, they ask questions such as, what impacts is climate change having and will have on people's lives? And how is society responding to the threats presented by the climate crisis? My video, A Sociology of Climate Change, poses and begins to answer such questions. You can find this video at the internet address you see at the bottom of this slide. Your professor may ask you to do some research on one or another aspect of climate change. The website offers resources that can help. One of the pages of the website, the page that looks like this, has links to PDFs that will take you deeper into any of the 25 different facets of the sociology of climate change. In a later video, which you should watch if your professor does ask you to do some research, I will describe the research tool feature of the website in greater detail. For now, as homework, you should log into YouTube, find and watch the 2 science videos. Here and here. That's it for now. Until my next video, thank you.